This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Roy Gilbertson. Discover the perfect place to build your North Georgia mountain retreat on this beautiful 1.38-acre residential lot in Blue Ridge. Featuring a moderately rolling slope that is easy to build on, the property offers multiple home site options surrounded by mature woods for a peaceful and private setting. Uniquely positioned bordering two streets, the lot provides flexible access and additional possibilities when designing your future home while still maintaining excellent privacy. Located in a highly desirable neighborhood with well-maintained roads and a community water system already in place, the property is ready for your mountain vision. Enjoy the quiet of the woods while remaining conveniently close to downtown Blue Ridge shopping, dining, and outdoor activities. A rare opportunity to secure a private home site in one of Blue Ridge's most sought-after rentable establishments. Deed restricted to protect your investment. For more information,